So this lesson is over. So I am going to discuss the question answer and long question answer here, and the short question you will get in PDF. So here first E number, differentiate between the following: conduction and convection, that is in the keywords Celsius and Kelvin scale, page number 43. So E number 2, this much you can write. In Celsius scale, the freezing point of water is taken as 0 and boiling point is 100, and in between the range is divided into 100 equal division or units. In Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point is fixed at 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the range is divided into 180 equal division. So number 3, expansion and contraction, page number 53. So here you can see expansion is given in the keywords. Contraction, the process or result of becoming smaller or pressed together. So contraction, you can write the process or result of becoming smaller or pressed together. F number, define in one line. All the questions are in page number 53. So here you can see temperature, then conduction, radiation, thermometer, conductors of heat. So all the F number is in page number 53. This is F number 4, F number 5. G number 1, why does heating leads to expansion of matter, page number 52. This is G number 1, when particles of matter absorb heat energy, they start moving faster. When they move fast, they spread out. This increases the space between particles, thus increasing their volume. After that you can add here, so heating leads to expansion of matter. Next number, explain 3 modes of heat transfer with examples. That is page number 47, 48 and 49. So for G number 2, conduction mode, you can write from here to here for conduction mode. Again that G number 2, convection mode, first from here to here you can write, and example you can give. Example, if we heat the water in a container, the water molecules near the flame get heated and rise up, and cooler molecules from side takes their place. As the hot molecules rises up and spread out, they pass energy to other molecules and lose heat. Again they move down as fresh and hot molecules rise up. This set up a current in the container. So this is also you can write for convection mode. Next for radiation, in the same G number 2, radiation, you will write the heat energy from the sun is transferred by type of waves, infrared waves. When a body absorbs infrared waves, it heats up. This type of transfer of energy is called radiation. Then radiations can travel through vacuum. Only this much. So next number, classify the matter on the basis of its ability to transfer heat. Give 2 examples of each type. That is also page number 47. 3 points you can make, page number 47. Solids which allow the transfer of heat through them, they are called conductors. Example you can give gold, silver, iron, aluminium. Then second point, solids which allow heat to pass through them slowly, they are called poor conductors. Example you can give glass. Then apart from solids, air and water, so you can give example glass, air, water. These are poor conductors. Then third point you can make, solids which do not allow the heat to pass through them, they are called non-conductors or insulators. Example wood, paper. So any two examples from each you can give. Number 4, draw and explain the working of a clinical thermometer, page number 45 and 46. So this is the clinical thermometer. You have to do the drawing, not the 3, only 1 you have to draw. Then here, wash the thermometer. Wash the thermometer with water thoroughly and dry it with a clean cloth. There is a small bend where the bulb ends, that is called kink. Next, from here we will start. First from here we will start. When a clinical thermometer is put in a person's mouth, the mercury level rises. When it is taken out, the mercury level is not able to fall due to the kink. Here you listen carefully. First you will write, when a clinical thermometer is put in a person's mouth, the mercury level rises. When it is taken out, the mercury level is not able to fall due to kink, which prevents mercury from going back into the bulb. So after that, which prevents mercury from going back into the bulb. After that you will write, so that the temperature reading can be easily read. To force the mercury back into the bulb, the thermometer is given 2 to 3 jerks. Next number, write and explain two examples where expansion of solid is applied. Page number 52. So here 5 examples, 5 points are given. Any 2 points you can write which one you want. So I had just given these two, so you can write any of the points. Total 5 points are given. So write all these question answer in your copy and learn them, and this hot question also given in the PDF. So this also write in the copy and learn them. Next class we will start a new chapter.